Applying for a mortgage can be exciting, but also can be stressful. There's a lot of paperwork involved, and you have to provide evidence that you have the means to repay the loan. This is why one important document you may have to provide when applying for a mortgage is an explanation letter. Letters are there to document and explain any discrepancies on your application that could potentially cause a delay or damage your chances of getting approved for the loan. Hello, this is Kevin Brierton, and in this video, I'm going to share with you why explanations matter and how to write one. What is an explanation letter? Well, an explanation letter is a document used by borrowers who are applying for a mortgage that need to explain any discrepancies in their application that could potentially delay or damage their chances of being approved for the loan. Now, it typically is including details of why there was late payments or discrepancies in income or other issues that might be a concern. The main purpose of a letter, though, is to give the lender insight into your financial situation and help them make sure they can make an informed decision whether or not to provide your application and approve your application for the loan. When do you need an explanation letter? It's important to understand when you might need to provide an explanation letter during the mortgage application process. Generally speaking, if there is something on your credit report that could raise questions about your ability to repay the loan, then an explanation letter may be necessary. Some other common reasons you may need to consider writing an explanation letter and including it for the lender is if you had late payments, overdraft fees, credit charge-offs, bankruptcies, foreclosures, short sales, medical bill issues, so forth. So how do you write a letter of explanation? When writing a letter of explanation, it's important to keep it concise and direct while providing as much relevant information as possible so the lenders can get a clear picture of what happened so they can also make an informed decision on whether or not they should approve your application. Now, here are a few tips on effective explanation letter writing. Number one, explain what happened in detail. Provide as much detail as possible, but be concise, including dates if available, so the lender can get a clear picture of the situation at hand. Don't leave the lender guessing. Number two, focus on what changed. Don't focus on what went wrong. Explain how things are different now and what you've done to work towards improving your financial situation. Now, number three, be honest. Don't try to sugarcoat things. Instead, have honest answers so the lender can truly get a sense of what happened and understand how you've improved your situation since then. Number four, keep it short. Try not to make it too long. Get to the point so lenders don't lose interest before they even finish reading it. Number five, be professional. Make sure everything looks professional, no typos, no grammar mistakes. This will demonstrate that you've taken the time to process this seriously and you've invested into making sure everything goes as smooth as possible from start to finish. Writing an explanation letter when applying for a mortgage can seem intimidating, but hopefully these tips have helped shed some light on why they're important and how to take the best approach when writing one. Remember, be honest. This is the key. Be honest and be concise. Lenders want to know exactly what happened so that they can make an informed decision on whether or not they should approve your application. Don't try to cover up anything or gloss over any details because this could end up hurting you. Rather, help your cause. Explain what happened, give them a clear picture, and be concise. Good luck with writing yours. If you have any questions, you can schedule a mortgage strategy call at mortgagestrategycall.com. Again, that's mortgagestrategycall.com. And we look forward to seeing you on the next video.